Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be do the unboxing of a very important thing that is really important for a YouTuber, actor, director, everyone, and maybe it is important for you. But it is a little bit expensive. So, anyways, let's do the unboxing of this. This is Slim Fit Cam from Samsung. So let's do its unboxing. So let's do some checking and opening. Nice. So guys, it's look like something this, and let me introduce you to the stuff inside the box. So we have the camera, some small books, a cable and something else also, let's see. And this is also something round, I don't know, let's see. So guys, this was the box, and here is our camera. Let's open it. Some polythene like stuff, and whoa. So guys, this is the camera of Samsung Slim Fit Cam. See guys, here written Samsung, maybe it's visible. So guys, this is the camera, and let's see something else also. This is the another packing, and this is the C to C cable. This is some rubber like stuff, let's see, and something else also. Okay, so this is a USB to C, no, C to USB. Okay, nice. And wait, this is also something. Okay, so it is a stand, a charger. Okay, a charger stand. Okay, nice, very nice. And these are some books. This is warranty, and this is the manual. So let's see the clarity and the video. So guys, let's assemble it a little bit. So here's the camera, and here's a port, maybe it's visible, yeah. So it's a cable, so let's open it. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a C to C, and yeah, length is pretty good. So we can insert it in this. Yeah, it is inserted properly, and we can insert the next one into this. When we have to charge, we can either charge it directly or through the stand. See, here is the stand, so we can insert it in like this, and here is some another port in the front. See, so we can insert it in this, so it's like this. And where to insert this? I have the answer. Let's open it. and see, it is a type C to USB. So insert this in this, so we can either plug it into a charger to charge this, or we can plug this in a TV so that we can make TV a webcam, and we can do various Google Meets and Zoom. We can attend our online classes, meetings, and many more. So this thing is left. Let me tell you, this is for the frame TV. Like nowadays a frame TV come, so it attaches like this, and it is a bit, this area is magnetic, this area is magnetic. So to almost all TVs it attaches directly, but to the frame TV or some other TVs to which it is something uncomfortable with the TV, and it don't attaches directly, so we can use this so that it can attach safely and the camera may not drop or fall. Yeah, so guys, let's talk about the build quality. Its build quality is really very rich and premium. Like you can see, it is basically magnetic, and here it's not plain, it's something rough, but it is magnetic, and same goes with this one. And this is the camera, and behind the camera there is something to put into its front when we are not using it for privacy purpose. So that is a really good thing, and when we are using it we can put it in the back like this. And this whole body is magnetic, this one also. Okay, and with the size of the camera I can guess that its quality is really good. So let's test that. So hello guys, let's start the testing. So here is the slim fit cam, as you can see, and I have placed a call to a phone. So here you can see this is the slim fit cam, and this is the camera of this phone. So guys, you can see the clarity comparison between the two of these, and I would say that the slim fit cam has the more clarity than this phone. Let me tell you, this phone is Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. I have also done its unboxing and review. If you haven't watched, you can click to the I button, and there you can go and watch that. So guys, this is the comparison, and yeah, the slim fit cam is very much clearer than this mobile phone. So yes, so guys, this part of the video I am recording from the Samsung slim fit cam. So let's talk about its pricing. So it comes around 8,000 to 900,000 from Samsung. And let's talk about its review. As you can see, the clarity is pretty much good, and its clarity is very much greater than the usual mobile phones. So yeah, it is worth it. So let's talk about its compatibility. So it is compatible with all the laptops, and if we talk about the TV, so it is compatible with the Samsung AU8000 or above models. Like this one was the Samsung QLED 60B, and its unboxing and review is coming soon. So guys, that's it for today's video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And the next video would be the unboxing and review of Samsung QLED 55-inch 60B. So be ready.